Hi, everybody, and welcome to our second episode of Thresh Talks with Randy. If you didn't watch the first one, I'm Randy Cameron, the Director of Business Development for Threshold, and we're going to have even more fun than we had last week. So today I was like, I need to have one of our Thresh team members, Tony Payne. He's here today to talk about what he does for the company, some fun facts, and also too what it means to be our client. So drum roll, please. Take it away, Tony.
Thanks, Randy. This is actually my first Thresh talk, so I really appreciate you inviting me. I'm interested to see how this goes.
No pressure. You got this. It's going to be fun.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess I can give you a little overview of who I am. So, like you said, I'm Tony. I'm one of the client success managers here at Threshold. I've been here for about 2 years. Helping manage projects and run digital campaigns. Interesting enough, I actually started here as an intern and worked my way up to client success manager. So, it's learning a lot, and really fast paced, as we know agency life is. So it's work hard, play hard, and that's kind of what we're all about here.
Yeah, we like to have a lot of fun. So if you haven't noticed, I'm a little fun. Tony's fun. We also share the same birthday, so he has to be
Yes,
fun.
we do.
This is why
That forces, right?
Yeah, it forces us to be friends. But also to tell us a little bit about what a client success manager does and what that means for our client.
Sure. Yeah. No. So we wear kind of a lot of hats here at Threshold. We're your project manager, but we're also your account executive. So, we're your single point of communication from start to finish, whether it be a leasing space, a brochure, or even a full website or digital launch. So we really kind of guide you through that process, make sure that you're up to date on milestones, and you get the same type of communication and attention that you get from our CEO or one of our client success coordinators. But one thing I really do like to point out about the client success team is that we're always trying to be at the forefront of innovation for our digital campaigns. So really kind of staying on top of trends, making sure that we're up to date with new Facebook, Google policies, as we know those change pretty often. So making sure that you're aware of those and how they might affect the campaigns, but we're also out there looking for new services, new products that people might not be running through their own digital agency. So yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of like my favorite line right now is like, if you can think it, we can do it. So we actually really try to make your job a little bit easier because we know that everyone's on fire. So it's why we love that we actually have the opportunity to give you a client success manager. So it's super exciting. So that's it for us today. Thank you so much for joining us again, and stay tuned for episode 3. See you later.
Bye. Thanks again, Randy. Bye.